Hello everyone and welcome to RaiGuru.com. Today we are driving into a powerful tool that's transforming the way teams collaborate and share informations. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 uses of Confluence for effective collaborations. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss our valuable content. So let's get started. So here, if you can see, this is our Atlassian page where we will have login of Jira and Confluence both. So Confluence is a centralized documentations or centralized document repository. Our first use case revolves around centralized documentations. Confluence acts as a centralized repository where teams can store and organize their documentations, policies, procedures, and important knowledge base. So, which knowledge base includes your solution design documents, product related information, your 2B, process diagram, BRD diagram, all those informations we can include here. This means no more scattered files and endless email attachments. So, whenever we will have any space available in Confluence, you can create your team's knowledge base, policies, project structure, everything will be available here. So first, select your space name and you can create as many documents or pages you want. For creating documents and pages, you will need a proper permissions. Without permissions, you won't be able to deliver it. There's a small announcement here. So we have already built one Jira for Scrum Master and Project Manager course where you will get this course on visiting raigurukul.graphy.com. I will include the URL in my description tab or video description tab so that it will be easy for you to understand. On referring this course, you will become a structured learning comprehensive courses or master in Jira technology. Let me know if you are struggling to get this link. I will share you in the comment as well. Coming back to our Confluence topic where we were discussing about centralized repository. So here you can create any number of pages whichever you want. Let's say you are struggling to create some 90 days plan for your new beginner. We already have one templates available. Select this, modify this templates according to your projects and save it with proper name. So here I will just write freshers guide and this will be published. Once it's published, this will be available for your complete team. So this is how you can manage any of your documentations whichever required for your projects to be there. Next one is team knowledge sharing. Rather than just maintaining policies and documents, we can also create team knowledge base. Confluence promote knowledge sharing by allowing team members to collaborate on pages. Imagine having a platform where everyone can contribute inside best practices and informations. So here, if you can see here, we have a lot of templates and knowledge base available. Let's say I want to build one knowledge base for my product. So here we'll specify product detail or project detail. If we want to search for project related template, we'll search the project related template here. Either let's build this content strategy. So content strategy, we have complete roadmap planning, channels, editorial content, and you can also add n number of content which suits your projects and product. So you can specify each and every details, and whenever a new joiners will join and you want to give the key or knowledge transfer to the new joiner or new person who is involving within your team, you can share this document with that person. So again, let me publish it and this will be stored into your respective project. This will make anyone's life easy to just refer this documentations, or if they have any challenges, they will reach out to your team members for more clarifications. Now, third option is project collaborations with Jira integrations. We can integrate at any point of time. We can integrate Confluence board with Jira. Project collaboration with Jira integrations. Confluence seamlessly integrates with Jira, making it easier to document and track project progress. We can create project documentations, link to Jira tasks, and maintain clear overview. To do so, here simply you can edit this template. Just add here macro like forward slash, and after that just write Jira. It will ask you to embed Jira charts or anything whichever you want. So eh, if you want to search for any projects, simply add your preview and you can specify the project name, and this will be available for you. So let me ask for this one, and you can see this is available. So you will need proper permissions to integrate all those informations, and you will have all those data available related to any issue types and projects. It's very easy to add it, and there is not having any challenges. Fourth option is customizable templates and blueprints. Confluence provides templates and blueprints which helps teams standardize page formats, whether it's meeting notes, project plans, or product requirement templates. Keep things consistent. And for doing so, here we have already used in the previous content. Let me show you one more time. Here, if I'm creating any projects or any information, simply I will use any of the templates available from here. Let's say I want to create fundraising database. So here we already have this template. Simply I will use this template for fundraising, rename this and customize it according to our need. So fundraising, we have provided the title seed. As of now, it's defined as closed, but I can make it to open as well. So even we can make this to open, and you will have this information available. We can color the seal with green, and you will have this green color available. Series B, we have not started. Series A, we have in progress. So this is how structure will look like. You can modify and make it published so that it will be available for your complete team. Those who are having access of the space, they will be able to see this format. So this is how easy we can use any templates and modify it during our requirement. Next, our fifth use case is cross-team collaborations and communications. Confluence giving us the feasibility or flexibilities to break down silos by enabling teams to collaborate on shared spaces and pages. This means leaving comments, giving feedback, discussing ideas all at one place. So let's say we want to take a feedback from the end user, any of the team member, and let's consider development team wants to provide the feedback. They will simply go here and write the comment, whatever comment is that, or maybe dev team contributed $50. So as a part of contributions from the dev team. So anyone who is having the access of this page, they will be able to add label, images, pages at one place. And this is much more easier whenever you will add any details that will be public on the web page. So anyone can see this process wherever they are setting. And here we have it, the top 5 use cases of Confluence for effective collaborations, where you are centralizing documentations, sharing knowledge, collaborating on projects, using templates, or break down communications barrier. Confluence has you covered. Remember, these are just few examples of Confluence can do it. The possibilities are endless. If you're working on any projects you want to use this Confluence, feel free to use this as many times as you want. And the use cases are, as I mentioned, this is endless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your team. Also, let us know in the comment how you're using Confluence in your work. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next part of video.